Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday, of course, where we're gonna dive deeper in the 1 hour and 15-minute chart in Bitcoin to see what happened and what it might happen in the next few hours. As you can see, we have topped basically for our bull run here, and we're looking for a big wave A here in 3 waves toward the downside. We got 3 waves down here as W, X, and a wave Y, of course, as a zigzag, finishing wave A here. And we're looking at another sharp zigzag, 3 waves toward the upside, finishing a wave B, potentially, of course. This wave B can be shifted, of course, to this side as well for a longer time in correction, of course, in 3 waves, where you would like to see 3 waves up, 3 waves down in case this transforms to a 3 waves. However, higher possibility it is an impulse. Therefore, if it is a 3 waves, then you want to finish, of course, wave C. But because this is looking much more like an impulse, higher possibility that we are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the downside, meaning your wave B has finished already here, potentially, of course. Still the possibility is still open for this. It's still open, but basically this doesn't look nice as an impulse. I'm gonna explain. If we move inside it here, you would like to see an impulse toward the upside, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4 invalidation, right? In case we take a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, that is fine. It can be, of course, wave A. You're looking for a wave B, right? And then you're looking for something else here as an impulse again, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So this might be, of course, your wave B here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the 1-to-1 fib level again. So this is your bullish scenario here, of course, short-term bullish scenario, where we are looking potentially if this is a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. But before we call it, let's check this leg on the 15-minute chart to get a little bit much more insight. Is this an impulse? Can be a motive wave? Can it be a leading diagonal or an impulse? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, of course not here. Therefore, we have to consider potentially 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What is your second 4, 5? So no impulse. In case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in leading diagonal, is this longer than your wave 3? If this is the case scenario, therefore invalidation. Let's check. Here we go. Very, very much longer, meaning there is no impulsive wave in this area. This is a correction. We're looking at here, of course, at potential finished W, X, and a Y. Your W is, of course, 3 ways up, X, and a Y here in another kind of zigzag, and you're looking toward the downside in higher possibility. As well, in this area, back to the 1 hour chart, if we're looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, of course, invalidation, as we said, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, invalidation again, so not possible. The only possible way is that you have several 1, 2s, but don't forget that this is not an impulse here. We cannot count, of course, a 1, 2 unless you have a 1 and then A, B, and a C as a wave 2 and then continuation toward the upside. However, higher possibility still, of course, for the bearish, not just because this doesn't look impulsive, some waves here like this one and all of it, but because this one looks like a great impulse, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished, of course, toward the downside, and you still want to seek for more. And of course, in case anyway that this is an impulse or this something has a motive wave and still looking for this one more leg to reach this blue box, as of course finished ABC here to finish a wave B, therefore after wave B you will seek after a wave C, very deep and of course very low. So therefore in all case scenarios, the bearish still of course dominant on the chart here, and we're still looking for our targets between the 68k 200 and the 67k, of course, for a regular flat, meaning A, B, and a C. Of course, your wave B is here. A, B, and a C. Potentially, of course, we can dive even deeper. It is very possible, but we're gonna see, of course, how much this is gonna be. Now, if we want to have, of course, a little bit insight here for a target, if we take this as a wave 1, 2, let's see if we have a confluence with the 1-to-1 fib level for a big, here we go. This is your confluence in the zone where you might have a wave 3 here, meaning you might have a 1, 2, and then 3. Don't forget this is only wave 3, 4, and a 5. Exactly in the middle of the target, right? Very, very nice. It's like sniping, guys. That's nice. So this is what we are looking at, this blue box, potentially, of course. And then, yeah, we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. In case, of course, don't forget, if this turns into a big 1-2 somehow like this, and then continuation toward the upside, then we're moving potentially in double 1-2. But yeah, I really doubt it. Very low possibility, but still there as bullish scenario. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.